Hi, everyone. I'm super psyched to be up here. My name is Nadia, and I'm the CEO and founder of Perksy, and we're building the future of feedback. This morning, many of you probably woke up to the sound of your iPhones. And on most nights, I order Uber Eats because the idea of walking 8 blocks to go get my own pizza is now an archaic concept to me. I mean, try not to look at your phone for the next 5 minutes. It's super hard. And why? Because mobile rules our lives. Mobile has revolutionized everything from dating to food delivery to getting from point A to point B. But as consumers, brands, and marketing have evolved with mobile, market research really hasn't. And that's a problem. You see, the issue with market research is it's still stuck in the past. It's outdated, it's expensive, it's time-consuming. You don't have 6 months to wait for the answers that you need. But most importantly, it's not made for mobile first. It's not culturally relevant or interesting to consumers, so brands aren't connecting to the right audiences, especially millennials and Gen Z. So we saw an opportunity, one that could leverage mobile to harness the power of hyper-targeting, contextual reach, and personalization. One that could connect you to the right people at the right time in the right place, but also save you time and money. One that could potentially revolutionize the way that we speak to and collect feedback from our consumers. So we built Perksy. Perksy is a next-gen, mobile-first consumer insights platform that powers real-time research with millennial and Gen Z audiences. And we do that through a mobile experience that's user-first. Users answer immersive, interactive questions inside the Perksy app. And we do it in a format called stacks because we never use the word survey. Consumers don't like it. And they can unlock exclusive experiences and rewards from over 100 brands like Nike, Nordstrom, Sephora, Delta Airlines, even for subscription favorites like Spotify and Hulu. Because, I mean, well, I guess even with Netflix, I guess that's your favorite. But I mean, who doesn't want to watch Blacklist for free? Our unique approach to survey design and delivery is fun and intuitive, redefining data capture by making it relevant for the mobile generation with rewards that they can't get anywhere else. One of the most common things that we tend to hear from our audience, other than we want more questions, which, by the way, is like a researcher's dream, is it just doesn't feel like a survey. And a lot of that has to do with the experience that we're actually providing to them. You know, we knew that we wanted to create something that was well-designed and very engaging because we built something for ourselves as well and for our peers. And it's almost like a game, and our users are very, very addicted. We're building like a cult-like following. It's awesome. And it shines through with our engagement stats. So our completion rates are 83% across North America. That means that 83% of our audience is answering their stack completely within 5 hours of receiving a push notification. Like, that's engagement. So what about you as a brand or an agency? What are you getting? So Perksy is all self-serve. It puts the power of research in your hands. And it comes in 3 simple steps. The first is that you can create these immersive questions that captivate your audience. You can choose from 10 different question types with more coming, like thumbs up, thumbs down, multiple choice, and our patented emoji response question. You can even test video ads using our certain question types. You can add media-rich content like branded assets, photo, video, or use our Giphy or Unsplash integrations. The next step is to reach your audience contextually by getting hyper-targeted and hyper-local. Our platform analyzes millions of data points across multiple channels like Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, even Foursquare. We pull in data like demographics, behavioral, social, and locational so that you can reach exactly who you need to reach, when you need to reach them, at the place that you want to reach them at. We can get within 2 meters of where someone is standing. So let's say, for example, you want to reach Gen Z student athletes who are walking north on Broadway, on the side of the street that's in direct visibility of your ad. You can hit them with a stack. And as users answer those questions, you can analyze them in real time. So everything comes in live, like the real definition of real time, absolutely live. And you can view audience breakdowns for every single question using our interactive analytics and built-in data visualization tools. You can even export the data for further analysis using a bunch of market research platforms and softwares as well. Our average turnaround time is about 24 to 48 hours, and that's in terms of completion, because of course it's live, meaning that you're analyzing results the second that they come in. So who's actually answering these questions? So who are you talking to? Because that's really important to brands and agencies. So I think what's really different about us is our audience. It's our bread and butter. With great mobile comes great reach. You can access pretty much anyone that you need to, as long as they have a mobile phone. Our users are real, everyday people. We don't use this antiquated standard pool of professional panelists that are getting recycled through panel after panel. We use these everyday people. They're representative of your audience, of the consumers who are actually buying your products or engaging with your products and services. And we never use third-party sample. It's always first-party. And they're diverse, like you and I. We have over 136 cultures represented in every single state and province in North America. So I think the thing to think about, given that I probably only have 45 seconds left, I want to tell you why you should use Perksy. What your audience wants today may not be, actually, it won't be what your audience wants tomorrow. The habits, preferences, and behaviors of the mobile generation are constantly changing, especially since they're in shifting life cycles. And data is not a lake. It's a flowing river. So we launched January 1st of this year, and already we've collected over 950,000 responses. We work with everyone from small startups to agencies to Fortune 500 brands with a variety of insight options, so monthly subscriptions or ad hoc research projects, and we do it at a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. Whether you're testing the waters on a new video ad campaign or you want to try out new packaging on a product that you want to bring to market, even if you just want to know if 14-year-old girls in Nashville, Tennessee still like Justin Bieber, we're the right platform for you. That's because we're trailblazing in our industry to make market research relevant for the mobile generation, and with a mission to provide the most comprehensive, contextual consumer insights platform on the market for brands and agencies, and a category-creating rewards app for consumers. Perksy is building the future feedback by asking, what's next? What will you ask? That's my time. Come talk to me later if you want to find out more.
Thank you, Nadia.